let me show you how to change your Apple Wallet default card. Now, if you're in Apple Wallet, but it keeps defaulting to the wrong card and you wanted to use this card instead, I'll show you how to change that default both in the Apple Wallet app and the Settings app if that doesn't work. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Apple Wallet app. So if you haven't already, just swipe all the way over to the app library and just search for Wallet here and open it up. Now, within the wallet, you can either change it in here or the settings. I'll show you both. It's a bit easier in the settings. So let's first just open up the Settings app, and then we'll scroll down to the Wallet section and tap on that. And now you'll be able to see here are the cards, and I wanted to add this business debit card as the default. You can see Apple Pay defaults. I'm going to tap on that and then tap on default card. From here, I can select that business debit card as the default, but it also says change the default order in the wallet by just touching and dragging those. So you can also just go back to the wallet here, and whichever one is on the front or the bottom one, this will be your default. So if I wanted to change it, again, just tap and drag that to the front, or AKA the bottom, and it says Bank of America Unlimited Cash is now your default card. So just reorder them in the wallet or change it in the settings. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.